Only after years of unsuccessful results, we finally realized that the chemical energy released through the dissociation of water molecule by melanin represents over 90% of cell energy requirement. These findings reveal a new aspect of cell biology, as glucose and ATP have biological functions related mainly to biomass and not so much with energy. A finding about the unexpected intrinsic property of melanin to transform photon energy into chemical energy through the dissociation of water molecule, a role performed supposedly only by chlorophyll in plants, seriously questions the sacrosanct role of glucose and thereby mitochondria as the primary source of energy and power for the cell. For it is the substantia nigra, black substance, activated by gene sequencing regulation via codon signaling. For the geometric coagulation, i.e. solve et coagula, is a maxim or motto of alchemy, which means dissolve and coagulate, referring to the Merkaba of the Kabbalah, or the Ka, which is the subtle solar light body. Light is an electromagnetic field wave carrying the frequency, height, and intensity potential along a dielectric field wave vector. This information is stored in our melanin of our melanosomes, which intermingle with other organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, peroxisomes, including our mitochondria. Once the capacity of stored light is reached, human photosynthesis potential is released across the melanin. The paramagnetic effect of an oxygen molecule is pushed out by the bipolar magnetic field generated by the inductive electron discharge of this human photosynthesis process. And the oxygen breaks its bond from the hydrogen within the crystalline as waters surrounding our organelles, including our mitochondria. The descendants of modern Homo sapiens sapiens were all highly melanized. Lack of melanin is thus a relatively recent mutation. If the notorious mark of Cain mentioned in the Bible indeed refers to a fair complexion, then this mark may be disadvantageous to humanity, but a distinct advantage to an alien interceptor hell-bent on changing human DNA to suit their purposes. TM. In his fascinating book, In the Blood, God, Genes, and Destiny, distinguished biologist and geneticist Professor Steve Jones of the Galton Laboratory of University College London outlines a biological fact that, in my opinion, may be a very plausible reason why the vast majority of abductees are white. Jones points out that although the number of melanocytes is the same in blacks and whites, in black skin they are far more active, and the melanin granules cluster around the nuclei of the cells in which they are found, suggesting that they play a vital part in protecting DNA from damage by ultraviolet light.